This is a video to show you how to winterize your 2011 Bessica Cameo. Okay, so looking at the front, we've got two seats there. It's located underneath here. This is where your tank heater is, your boiler, and basically remove the cushions there. Okay, and then you can see we've got a tank underneath there. Lift up this bit, and then we've got two yellow buttons. Okay, now what you need to do for these, the moment it's up, that's the correct way to dump the water. These actual buttons, you can see, are switches. They basically toggle down like that. That means you can turn the water when it's in this position, or lift up to dump the water. So for the winter, you need to put that one up, and also this one, which is located just there. That needs to go show you better. That one needs to go up as well. And what you'll do when you put both buttons up, you'll actually see that you'll hear water coming out of the system, and then you're ready for the winter. Once it's dumped, then put it back. You can hear no water, and then you set up for the winter time.